Okay, here we go with the box fan replacement for that piece of junk that broke on me, and I got all messed up. And then when I replaced it with the Impress, I ended up with that junk again. Well, this time this is a real box fan with a metal frame. It's by Aerospeed. Aerospeed makes apparently they're fans for all the different brand names out there that want to slap their names on them, like Comfort Zone and Simple Deluxe and everything else. And this is what this is, a Simple Deluxe. But we all know that it's an Aerospeed with that weird design with that ring guard and all that. But anyways, it's better than the junk I have. So let's pull this out and see what we're dealing with. They still give me this crap right here. You still give me this mess. Not good. Amazon, when are you going to ever stop giving me this crap? Don't worry, I'm not going to test it on the bed. Anyways, it's by a company called NexAir, NexAir, NexAir. Never heard of them before, and they use the Comfort Zone box fan. As you can clearly see, that's well, not a Comfort Zone. That's an Aero Speed. As you can clearly see, that's an Aero Speed box fan. It's the remnants of Lakewood and what was left of them, because Aero Speed pretty much bought Lakewood out along with Jordan Home Environment. Anyways, let's open it up and see what we're dealing with. Right out the package, I had to screw up one of the screws to its left because one of the screws was a little bit loose, But that was it. Nothing major. Just one of the screws that was loose. I'm not surprised. There's always going to be something. That's the reason why I wanted to check it for imperfections. Interestingly enough, no imperfections, but one of the screws was kind of loose. So I got that tightened. So now we're going to put it over here on the table and try to run it. Hold on. All right. Let's see this thing run. Not too out of balance. It's about what you can come to expect. It's not 100% perfect in balance, but it's nothing crazy like Lasco. Just a typical vibration. Yes, you can feel it resonating through the table, but it's nothing crazy. It's pretty reasonable. Airflow is pretty reasonable. About what you come to expect from a cheap box fan like this. It's better than the other junk over there. But of course, that's Aero Speed. At least they kind of gotten their act together today. The only thing I had to do was tighten up on one screw. But Aero Speed used to be really, really bad. Really awful. Bent. The cabinet used to be bent. The guards used to be all screwed up. Everything. It was just awful. The blades were jacked up. Now they made the blades a lot thicker. It seemed like they've gotten their act together over the years, since 2022. So, I don't really care for that ring design. Not sure why they did that. I guess to try to differentiate from their Ravy guard, but Aerospeed's Aerospeed, so there you go. There's the latest Aerospeed. Thanks for watching. Lamont the Fan Man, and out. I have to do a better video real soon.